2015 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, side airbag, rear defrost, power windows, CD player, power locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.